I can't believe who designed this road. It's not safe for most vehicles. This container truck is no exception. Feel for the poor driver. Another dump truck plunged into the abyss, but thankfully, the driver managed to escape before it happened. Landslides are a driver's worst nightmare. Stay safe out there. This dump truck overturned while on the job must be getting a bit too old. This time, it was another car that couldn't handle the weight and ended up overturning. This time, another car couldn't handle the weight and ended up overturning. Check this out. The truck must have been carrying hundreds of tons of cargo and just couldn't handle it anymore. Oh my God! A tow truck was called in to rescue a tanker truck stuck in the snow. But with one strong pull, the tanker flipped over. Not exactly the outcome we were hoping for. Great job, right? Hey there, how's it going? Check out this forklift driver taking on a job most people wouldn't dare attempt. Got to admire the courage. Holy crap. Oh, man. The tanker driver bravely pushed the vehicle up the slope, but things quickly went south. Thankfully, he got out just in time. Moments later, the tanker plummeted into the abyss. You're looking at one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. These drivers tackle this treacherous hill without even keeping a safe distance from each other. There's been a string of excavator accidents lately. It looks like these drivers either lack experience or are ignoring safety protocols. Oh, does anyone know what kind of car this is? It looks as tough as a tank. There was a huge risk here, but luckily the driver came out safe. Check out this dump truck. It nearly had an accident. Wow, this container driver has some impressive driving skills. This truck must be on the run from the police. It's driving like never before. Keep going, buddy. Holy crap. This container truck driver went full throttle into the flooded area. Wasn't he worried the truck might stall? He almost hit the car. A Volvo tanker got stuck, but help was on the scene right away to pull it out. A truck heading in the opposite direction lost control and crashed into another car. Driving at high speed in the snow is seriously dangerous. This lumber truck dared to cross a small wooden bridge, but unfortunately, it collapsed under the weight. Hope the driver is okay. This container truck appears to have lost control, and the accident happened right after. Oh my God. A collision between two trucks happened right on the highway. Thankfully, everyone came out fine. This old truck wasn't built to handle the overload, and unfortunately, it overturned. A truck broke down, but luckily, another vehicle came to the rescue and towed it across a small river. The roads here are incredibly challenging to navigate. Oh my God, this car is on the verge of flipping over. I can't believe they're playing such a dangerous game. Oh my God, this car is on the verge of flipping over. I can't believe they're playing such a dangerous game. This timber truck was zooming at 100 kilometers per hour, seemingly aiming to fly over this muddy slope. But no, he didn't make it, and the truck came to a stop. Maybe that was a stroke of luck for him. Heavy snowfall makes the road slippery and dangerous for every driver. But this guy is driving like he's in a hurry to get to his girlfriend's house. Whoa! Oh, shit! But hey, it's all right. He's okay. He's okay. Oh my God! It's a good thing the driver behind managed to avoid hitting the container in front just in time. As for the rest, the situation is a bit of a mess. Talk about bad luck for this excavator driver.